Whether you're editing videos, coding software, or just writing documents, a reliable business desktop can make all the difference in your productivity. So let's look into the top features you need to know when finding the right one for you. Business desktops often have a minimalist design, typically in black, which makes them ideal for office spaces where you want multiple units to blend in seamlessly for a unified look. They come in a range of specs that support anything from online work to heavier tasks like video editing or coding. But here's some of the minimum specifications that we recommend. For the CPU, choose an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 as a minimum or above. Integrated graphics are great for general tasks, but suggest a dedicated GPU for heavy graphics work. 8GB of RAM is fine for basic tasks, but ideally, 16GB of RAM is best for modern apps. The SSD is usually 512GB as standard, but 1TB is better for storing all of your files and apps in one place. Business desktops are well known for being reliable and durable. Well-known brands like Lenovo, HP, and Dell are industry leaders here if you're looking for something dependable that can handle the demands of a busy workday. Most specs are fixed as the machine is often built for a single purpose, making it difficult to upgrade when you need more power. So always look for machines with upgradable RAM or SSD storage so you can upgrade without buying a whole new machine. Modern business desktops come equipped with a variety of ports to support any situation. Look for plenty of USB ports for connecting external hard drives and accessories, a full-size HDMI or DisplayPort for additional displays or presentation screens, and lastly, a fast USB-C port for quick data transfer and charging. Follow Box for more tech tips.